Hey there, nature lovers. Today I'm diving into the deep blue sea to introduce you to the majestic whale family. Get ready to be amazed by these gentle giants. First up, let's talk about the blue whale. Did you know the blue whale is the largest animal ever known to have lived on Earth? Imagine a creature as long as 3 school buses and weighing as much as 30 elephants. Isn't that mind-blowing? These incredible mammals can be found in oceans all over the world. Blue whales are filter feeders, meaning they consume tiny shrimp-like animals called krill. Despite their massive size, their diet mainly consists of these tiny creatures. And guess what? A blue whale can eat up to 4 tons of krill a day. Now let's not forget about the humpback whale. These whales are famous for their enchanting songs. Male humpbacks sing complex melodies that can last for hours, and scientists believe they do this to attract mates. Imagine listening to a whale symphony while floating in the ocean. Pure magic. Next, there's the sperm whale, known for having the largest brain of any creature on Earth. These deep divers can plunge to depths of over 7,000 feet in search of squid. And yes, they love a good giant squid battle. Speaking of unique, let's talk about the orca, also known as the killer whale. Despite their name, orcas are actually part of the dolphin family. They are apex predators, meaning they sit at the top of the food chain. Orcas are incredibly intelligent and have been known to use sophisticated hunting techniques like creating waves to knock seals off ice floes. Talk about teamwork. Lastly, we have the beluga whale, often called the canary of the sea because of its high-pitched calls. These white whales are incredibly social and love to interact with each other. They live in Arctic and subarctic waters, and their white color helps them blend in with the icy surroundings. Each member of the whale family has its own unique characteristics and plays a vital role in maintaining the ocean ecosystem. They are truly magnificent creatures that remind us of the beauty and mystery of the underwater world. So next time you think about the ocean, remember the awe-inspiring whales that call it home. Dive deep, stay curious, and keep exploring. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more amazing nature content. Catch you later, ocean explorers.